It is the hottest day of the year here in California, so I'm very excited about this. Let me show you. It is a giant solar panel, which is to power up a water pump, because all the critters in our gardens are so thirsty. They're eating our plants and they're just really thirsty. So it's great for this water pump. This is a big solar panel, so that should have some power. Powers this thing, which is great because I'm planning on putting it in a part of the yard that has absolutely no power. And then it comes with a ton of accessories so that when you stick it in the water, it'll create loads of different kinds of streams. So you have your attachment, no matter how deep it is. You can have like a really cute 7-stream little fountain. It doesn't have to be super tall. You can put it here like this. You can have a shorter 1-stream fountain. There's all kinds of configurations. Let's see how it works. I don't even have a proper fountain yet to demonstrate properly, but we'll use this Tupperware tub. This should do the job. It's not even quite full enough, so hopefully this will work. Now I've got that in there. Here's the power cable. Here is the solar panel. Let's see. It's easy enough to do one-handed, so it's sort of late evening here. Oh, look at that. Ooh, there's some serious power in there. So,
I want to try this.
Want to try that one? So put that on it. Does that fit?
I think it does.
Yeah, and then like you can like put different things on the top.
Filters. I want a big filter.
Okay. Nice. Do we not have enough stuff? Oh! That's actually gonna be, that could be fun to play in. That's a pretty powerful stream. I like it.